In this video, we will be installing a Spyker top dress kit onto a Spyker Pro Series commercial broadcast spreader model S60-12020, also known as the Mulch and More. Note, the Spyker top dress kit number KSP12TD1 is sold separately, and this kit is only compatible with the Spyker Spreader model S60-12020. Needle nose pliers and gloves are recommended to install the top dress kit. First, remove the agitator pin from the end of the spinner shaft, and then remove the hook on the spring and remove the top of the spring from the spinner and shaft. Then slide the collar up and remove it. Next, slide off the spinner and remove the upper shaft assembly. Now, install the Spyker top dress kit by placing the bearing cap on the end of the shaft. Then reinstall the spinner and slide the collar back onto the upper shaft. Insert the extended bearing into the hopper opening, making sure it's all the way in, and note, the small tab on the bearing should fit in the slot in the front of the opening. If needed, place the bearing in first and tap lightly with a hammer to ensure the bearing is fully installed. Then replace the shaft assembly into the bearing and continue with the next step. Next, rotate the upper and lower shaft back together and reinstall the collar over both pieces. Then reinstall the top of the spring through the spinner and shaft and clip the spring around the shaft to secure it in place. Congratulations, your Spyker top dress kit is now installed. For questions, call Spyker customer service at 1-800-972-6130. Spyker, go with the pros.